Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Braxton Boys Maintenance. Today we're going to change the cartridge in a corner or a CFG Moen base stone gooseneck faucet. So let's get started. Hey y'all, Braxton Boys back again.
What? I just took a screwdriver to get back again.
To get started, we have a Cornerstone ceramic cartridge disc. This is the part number. This is what it looks like. To access the set screw on this, it's going to be a 3/32. And pull the handle off there. Next is your decorative cover. You're going to set that to the side. You're going to use your Moen tool. Loosen this out right on up. Cartridge will come right on up. You do got to make sure you check for that gasket. There are two little studs here and two little insert holes here. Make sure those line up right. And put your set nut back in. I like to use a little bit of grease. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.